Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the video with the AI. What's the name of the AI and how to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Introducing the Pixverse AI, and here I am accessing it from my Google Chrome in my laptop, and here you can put the keyword Pixverse AI here, and as you can see this is the recommendation that show first. You can open the Pixverse AI video generator, captivating AI video. And as you can see that this AI also will give you 60 credits per day if you run out of the credit. And here I have also do the registration or logged in with my email. And after that, you can also start to do the explore or exploring about this AI. As you can see for the first time, basically or initially that this Pixverse was giving me 90 credits, and since it is already in another day, so they give me actually 60 credit. But since I have generated the picture, so it has been decreased 20 credits. So this is the credits left in this platform. And also, if you would like to earn more credits, then you can invite your friend to use this AI, and this is the several credits that you will receive, guys. And if you would like to generate the video, you can start to put your image or text, and also you can use the template that they have provided to you. And here there are a lot of templates right here, and you can also do the transition if you have any video, do the fusion, extend, and also do the sound and do the speech. And for example here, if I would like to generate a video from the picture, then you can go to this image or text and you can click this button. And for example, I use this picture. And for example, you can start to add the simple prompt. For example, the the cat is kneading the dough. And after that, you can start to generate this prompt. And if you would like to do the settings for this style, for example, the panel, the duration, the pixels, auto sound, auto speech style, you can go for it. And as you can see that this video will be generated and it will need 20 credits. So if I click this, so this credit will be decreased. And don't worry because I have prepared for you guys the video. After you click this create, so it will direct you into this field, guys. So this is the video that has been created. I will click it for you. Isn't that smooth and also shows you the animation? It's like the 3D. And if you'd like to download it, then you can click this, and also it will give you the chance to download it without the watermark, but you need to buy the package to become the pro version. But if you don't want to buy the package to become the pro version, then you can go with watermark. And you can also delete or also do the editing like the upscale, extend, sound, restyle, speech. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Pixverse application into your device. And I hope this AI also work for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.